The top benefits of eyesight improvement courses in eye care. Eyesight improvement courses are educational programs to enhance the knowledge and skills of taking care of your eyes and preventing vision problems. These courses offers many benefits for eye health, such as teaching how to recognize the signs and symptoms of eye problems, how to control your eyes. With eye training courses, you can learn practical tips on how to protect your eyes from eye strain, computer syndrome, and from digital eye strain. Lifestyle changes can enhance eye health, such as consuming enough water, vitamins and minerals, exercising regularly, and frequently blinking. With eyesight improvement courses, you can learn how to perform eye exercises effectively and relaxation techniques that can improve visual acuity, reduce eye strain, and prevent dry eyes, enhancing the confidence of people who deal with eye problems. Eyesight improvement courses are a valuable resource for anyone who wants to learn how to maintain eye health and improve their vision. They can also help reduce myopia, astigmatism, or farsightedness, which affects millions of people worldwide. If you are interested in taking an eyesight improvement course, you can find the link below: the Eyesight Improvement Course, EyeSight Academy.